Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have been following me on YouTube, you know that I love Yor Forger from Spy Family, the popular manga anime series. So today I decided to try a very intense cosplay makeup tutorial by none other than Kleiner Pixel. If you guys are wondering who Kleiner Pixel is, she is an amazing cosplayer who does anime cosplay makeup tutorials. So let's get started. So I guess the first step is to get the eyebrows done. Let us follow her along this video. So I'm just gonna sharpen these edges. So the next step is to fill in the eyeshadow. She goes for this really metallic glossy pink, which I love. And I do see that she also applies it slightly outside the eyeball, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing here. I think that looks really good. It's kind of shining. So I guess I'm done with the eyeshadows. Oh, there's one more color going in. It looks like a shade of brown over here, just to create kind of like a creased look. Also, I need to apply that to the under eyes, so let's do that. All right, that's the way the eyes go. Let's check out the next steps. Oh, this has to be the most dreadful of them all. The eyeliner. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. My hands are literally shaking. All right, let's go for it. Kind of looks like a bat wing look, so hopefully it isn't too bad. Oh. I'm kind of impressed with the way this turned out. Oh, that's really tickling my eyes. I might be crying in a minute. I have to give it to Kleiner Pixel for doing these makeup tutorials and for making it look so easy. Alright, what's next? So the next step is to get the mascara in. I'm too excited, so I have to literally squint when I put this on. Yeah, I'm really scared of poking the mascara into my eyeball because I've done that. Yep, exactly what I said. Alright, so I've got my mascara in, and the next step is to get the fake lashes in. I don't know about you guys, but I always go from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner. Is that how you guys usually do it? Let me know down below. I'm not sure if you guys can tell the difference between my natural lashes and the fake ones, but yep, I can clearly see it. It is pretty voluminous. I don't think I've ever used that word in my life, so I kind of feel proud for pulling out a very difficult word from the vocabulary.
You are a master of words.
Okay. The next step is concealer. Apply it in a V shape is what she did. So I'm just gonna do the exact same thing. So I'm gonna do this. Wait. Tap it into place like this. It's just gonna pop out the eyes a bit. Let's do the setting. Bake this. Time for some blush. Dab it, or you can just like smudge it so you can already see. And I think I've used this on all my cosplay videos. And I love how this has a really cute glittery blush. Who doesn't love that? Next, she is contouring her nose. So I'm gonna be as gentle as I can be. Going in again on the other side. Let's go in straight down. I am gonna contour and highlight the tip of my nose. Got my cheekbones highlighted and contoured the nose. Oh. I also did the inner corner of my eyes. I hope it's looking good so far. What's left? Oh, I totally forgot the lip. So the closest red shade that I had is this one by Wet n Wild, and that's what I'm gonna be using. So let's go in. I cannot believe we reached the end of our makeup tutorial. This definitely looked more intense than it is. Alright, I'm quickly gonna go get into my cosplay outfit. I'm gonna show you how it turns out. This is my cosplay outfit of today from ezCosplay. This is not a sponsored video, but it would be so cool if it were. So ezCosplay, if you guys are watching me, sponsor me. Yay! So I got my dress on and this is how the outfit looks. This is Yor Forger. You can see the lovely tie-up lace behind. You can see it back there. It is a gorgeous outfit and I think I'm wearing a size small. I'm gonna check that and let you guys know. But anyway, I am gonna quickly do my hair. Almost halfway there. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. Alright guys, so I got my hair and my makeup done and this is the way it's looking so far. But the look is not complete because I still have to show you all the accessories that this dress comes with. You can see the back, it is so gorgeous. I hope you guys can see it. This is the headpiece, so I'm gonna put that in. Just look at how beautiful it is. It is so shiny. I think it's pretty. It also comes with the earrings. Wow. So I'm gonna quickly pop them in. All right, that's how it looks. Isn't it pretty? And just put my wig back in place. The cosplay outfit from ezCosplay also comes with these really cute socks slash boots. And these are the ones like Yor wears. So I'm just gonna put them on so you guys can see how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see my leg. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. I love the way this outfit fits me and it is so comfortable. I could do some ninja moves. I am now going to show you the entire outfit. I'm going to do my twirl, do some Yor moves and make it come to life. Well, that brings me to the end of today's cosplay outfit try on and makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys have any suggestions, let me know down below. Alright guys, stay cute, stay safe. Bye!